Hi and welcome to another of the spreadsheet lessons. Okay, today we're going to be looking at wedding costs and putting together some of the different skills we've learned. So to go through what this is a list of loads of different costs, so it's important that we put it into currency. These will also be costs once we've worked these out, so I'm just going to go right ahead and put that in currency as well. Now, evening guests, so normally when you have a wedding, you invite people to the day and you have an option to invite them to the evening, but that costs a bit different. So this one's an extra, £25. So I'm going to say I'm going to have 15 people go to the evening. So this needs to be equals that number times by 25. Okay? Now I want you to use the cell reference, and I'm going to tell you why. Because if I press enter, and then I change this, it's automatically going to update that, which is great. Absolutely great. Now we're going to work out the total cost. So that would be an equal sum, open bracket, remember sum adds up a range. So we're going to click and drag, and that is known as the range, end the bracket and enter. So that's how much that costs. So to spread that over 6 months, we're going to go equals that number divided by 6. There we go. So that's how much it's going to cost each month. And the max cost out of these is equals max, open bracket. And remember, the max function will come up with the biggest number, so we know what the biggest cost is going to be. And that, of course, is the venue. So once that's all done, and we've done all of those bits, you can go back and pause and re-listen. We're going to format this. We're going to format this a little bit. So first thing we're going to do is highlight this, drag it, let go, and I'm going to merge and center. So that just makes it one cell. I'm then going to highlight them, click on this little arrow here, and all borders, and add borders to these. So all borders, and then I'm just going to colour them in. I do love the formatting. There we go. I might even highlight them all and change the font. Now you can change it to whatever font you want. I'm going to use my favourite one. I do have a favourite font, and there it is. So now it looks really pretty, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a conditional format. Ooh, what is a conditional format? It basically changes the colour automatically based on a rule that we're going to create. So I want everything highlighted that costs over £500. So I'm going to highlight my range that I want to apply this rule to. Click on conditional formatting, highlight cells greater than, and I'm going to put 500 in there, and I want it red. You can choose a different colour. Oh, maybe I'll have a different colour. So I'm going to click on custom format, and I might have it in a purple and I think I'm going to have it in purple. And click OK. And then OK. So now, let's say I give 25, automatically changes if it's over 500. Okay, so now have a play and rewatch.